In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hubspot account. Whether you're preparing for a fresh start with your business operations or just tidying things up, resetting your account involves a few essential steps. So let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.hubspot.com. You'll want to log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, the first order of business is to clear out your contacts, deals, and tickets. Navigate to each section within your HubSpot dashboard, starting with contacts, then onto companies, deals, and any other relevant categories. Within each of these sections, you'll want to select all entries and proceed to delete them. Keep in mind, if you have a large volume of data, it may be necessary to do this in batches to ensure everything is removed efficiently. Next, turn your attention to clearing out your lists and tasks. Delete any existing lists you have to keep your account streamlined and straightforward. After the lists, move over to the sales section and find your tasks. Make sure to remove all existing tasks from this area. Another crucial part of resetting your account is managing your custom properties. To do this, head to the settings section and click on properties. Here, you'll be able to see all the properties you've created. It's important to note you can't remove HubSpot's default properties, so focus on deleting the custom ones you've personally added. Following this, you'll want to address any workflows and automations. Navigate to the automations tab and select workflows. Go through each item in this section and either delete it or turn it off, depending on whether you might need it as a reference for future use. Once you've managed workflows, it's time to handle your forms and pages. Go to the marketing section and find both forms and landing pages. If there are any forms or pages that you no longer find necessary, go ahead and delete them. This will help in reducing clutter and ensuring your account is easily manageable. Lastly, don't overlook any integrations you might have connected to your HubSpot account. To do this, go back to settings and click on integrations. Examine the list of connected apps and uninstall any that are not currently serving any purpose. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your HubSpot account, making it refreshed and ready for whatever projects or strategies you have planned next. Remember, maintaining a streamlined account not only aids in organization but also enhances productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.